A flourishing garden is a testament to the dedication of its caretaker. However, maintaining a healthy garden involves more than just watering and nurturing the plants. One of the greatest challenges faced by gardeners is warding off diseases that can wreak havoc on the greenery. Disease prevention is key to preserving the vitality of your garden. Understanding how diseases develop, implementing preventive measures, and employing sustainable practices are crucial in ensuring a bountiful harvest and thriving garden landscape. Recognizing common garden plant diseases. Diseases in garden plants can manifest in various forms, including fungal, bacterial, and viral infections. Recognizing the signs of common diseases is the initial step in prevention. Common symptoms include wilting, spots on leaves, unusual discoloration, stunted growth, and abnormal formations. Strategies for preventing diseases in garden plants. 1. Proper plant selection and placement. Selecting disease-resistant plant varieties adapted to your region significantly reduces the risk of infections. Understanding the environmental needs of specific plants and ensuring appropriate placement, considering sunlight, soil quality, and spacing, contributes to their resilience against diseases. 2. Soil health and nutrient balance. Healthy soil is the foundation for healthy plants. Regularly testing the soil and ensuring the right balance of nutrients, proper drainage, and organic matter significantly reduces the risk of diseases. Composting and natural soil amendments aid in promoting a robust microbial environment, enhancing plant immunity. 3. Adequate watering and air circulation. Overwatering can create a damp environment ideal for disease development. Watering plants at the base, avoiding foliage, and maintaining proper drainage minimizes excess moisture. Adequate air circulation by proper plant spacing helps reduce humidity, preventing the proliferation of diseases. 4. Clean gardening practices. Practicing cleanliness in the garden is crucial. Regularly removing debris, fallen leaves, and any diseased plant material prevents the spread of infections. Sterilizing tools between uses and practicing crop rotation minimizes the buildup of pathogens in the soil. 5. Natural and organic pest control. Pests can often act as carriers of diseases. Implementing natural pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects, using neem oil, or making natural insecticidal soaps can mitigate pest-related diseases without harmful effects on plants. 6. Monitoring and early intervention. Regular monitoring of your garden allows for the early detection of any potential issues. Prompt intervention, such as pruning affected parts or using organic disease control methods, can prevent the further spread of diseases. Sustainable practices for disease prevention. Companion planting. Companion planting involves strategically placing plants that benefit each other by repelling pests or improving soil conditions. For instance, planting marigolds alongside vegetables deters nematodes, while basil near tomatoes may enhance their flavor and deter pests. Mulching. Mulching helps regulate soil temperature, maintain moisture, and suppress weeds. Organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, also acts as a barrier against soil-borne diseases. Crop rotation. Rotating crops annually in garden beds disrupts disease cycles by preventing the buildup of pathogens specific to certain plant families in the soil. Biological control. Biological control methods involve using beneficial organisms to combat pests and diseases. Introducing ladybugs to control aphids, or using nematodes to target specific soil-borne pests are examples of biological control measures. Sustainable fertilization. Using organic fertilizers, such as compost or manure, not only nourishes plants, but also enhances soil health, thereby reducing the risk of diseases in the long run. By employing these strategies and embracing sustainable practices, gardeners can effectively prevent diseases in garden plants. A proactive approach, coupled with a deep understanding of plant health and the ecosystem, is the cornerstone of maintaining a vibrant, disease-free garden that thrives year after year.